Good morning, everyone. This is Todd Chambers from the National Weather Service in Billings with your weekly weather and hazards briefing for the week of April 20th. Here are the key points for this week's weather. It will be very warm and dry today and tomorrow, with temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above seasonal levels. Wednesday will be a prefrontal day with continued warm temperatures and gusty southwest winds. The warm, dry, windy conditions will elevate grass fire concerns for areas that have not started green up yet. Expect increasing chances for showers and isolated thunderstorms as a strong cold front approaches late in the day from the west. The front will bring much cooler temperatures to the region for Thursday, along with strong precipitation chances. Snow levels drop to around 3,000 feet by Thursday afternoon, and widespread strong wind gusts are possible through the day Thursday, which could lead to some blowing snow impacts. Expect cool and unsettled conditions to linger into the weekend. Here's a look at this week's risk outlook. Of note are the moderate risk for snow in the mountains on Wednesday and Thursday, and strong winds on Thursday. Minor risks for very warm temperatures exist early in the week, along with minor risks associated with a strong cold front midweek for precipitation, gusty winds, and isolated thunderstorms. There is high certainty in a storm system arriving late Wednesday, bringing much cooler temperatures and unsettled conditions. Less certainty exists with exactly how much precipitation will fall with this system and how much of that precipitation will fall as snow in the lower elevations. Expect a very warm start to the week with temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above seasonal levels, with most locations in the 70s and 80s. A drastic change arrives with a strong cold front late Wednesday, pushing temperatures a good 10 degrees below seasonal levels from Thursday through next weekend. Low temperatures also trend well below freezing from Thursday through next weekend. Here's a look at forecast precipitation chances through the week. The strongest chances are from Wednesday afternoon through Thursday, with a good chance for rain, snow showers again on Friday. Unsettled conditions with at least low chances for precipitation continue through next weekend. Precipitation returns to the area late Wednesday into at least Friday. The probability for half an inch or more of precipitation is above 40% across much of the area. Snow levels drop from around 7,000 feet Wednesday evening to around 3,000 feet Thursday afternoon. The probability of accumulating 2 inches or more of snow Thursday through Friday morning is very low across most of the area, but the higher hills across southeast Montana are showing a 25 to 45% chance of reaching that level. Area foothills can also see more than a few inches of snow, while the mountains above 6,000 feet could be looking at heavy snow accumulations with this system. Strong wind gusts are possible on Thursday. The probability for gusts over 60 miles per hour is above 40% in many areas. The combination of strong winds and a changeover to snow during the day on Thursday will bring the possibility of blowing snow impacts to some areas. The cold, wet, and windy conditions with this spring storm system will be a threat to young livestock, particularly Wednesday night through Friday. The cool and unsettled conditions may extend this threat into the weekend. In summary, it will be a very warm and dry day today and tomorrow, with temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above seasonal levels. Wednesday will be a prefrontal day with continued warm temperatures and gusty southwest winds. The warm, dry, windy conditions will elevate grass fire concerns for areas that have not yet started green up. Expect increasing chances for showers and isolated thunderstorms as a strong cold front approaches late in the day from the west. The front will bring much cooler temperatures to the region for Thursday, along with strong precipitation chances. Snow levels drop to around 3,000 feet by Thursday afternoon, and widespread strong wind gusts are possible through the day. This could lead to some blowing snow impacts for the lower elevations. Expect cool and unsettled conditions to linger into the weekend. This concludes this week's briefing. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime.